Welcome to Flipping Good Food, my series where I show you how to make food that's high protein, low carb, so easy, and so good. Today we're making this incredible chicken Caesar pasta salad with over 50 grams of protein a serving. We're going to start by marinating chicken thighs, drizzle it with olive oil, season with salt, pepper, the juice of a lemon, and spices. Pop it into your oven. While that's going, make it healthier. Caesar dressing, I gotta say, this one is so good. You're gonna wanna put it on absolutely everything you eat throughout the week. When your chicken's done, dice it up with a knife, chop up some romaine lettuce, and bring it all together with your favorite high protein, low carb pasta. Of course, I'm using my Kaizen pasta here. Full recipes in the caption. Check it out.